cherries and lemon. Today I'm gonna draw a crazy doodle using connector markers. In my studio there are many boxes, over here and even over here, and in one of the boxes it is. So let's find it. Well, it's not boxing this, not this one, and not even this. In this there are drawings.
80 minutes later.
Oh man, I all of the boxes checked, but didn't get the markers. Now this last box is remaining to check. It's my last hope. Oh, finally I found it. Now it's time to draw the crazy doodle. So let's go.
I need help, it's so cold outside and I'm going through hell. I don't feel alive, sometimes I can't tell, cause every day I try but I think I need help. Maybe if I fight one day I'll be well. Want someone by my side but I'm stuck in my shell. Want someone to rely on but everyone's selfish, helpless, so damn jealous. And I just wish I never felt this. In this world from sea to shining sea, there's a way for me to go be free. There's a way for me to go be me. I just know that there's a place for me. There's a place for me.
Oh, good. Okay, so today is done. Now it's time to draw some sexy lines.
I just know that there's a place for me. 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 There's a place for me.
So the lines are done. So now it's time for the final part for which we all are waiting, the coloring.
Let's go! Time to grind, get inside your mind. Yeah, we working overtime. That's the only way to climb. We gon' make it in our...
Well, it is looking good, but due to too much of water it contains, it is tearing the paper. But don't worry, I'm using this thick paper. It is not easy to tear this paper easily.
Yeah, that shit is so bright. Follow me, I got the guide. See you on the other side, son. Ain't nobody know what I've been through. Ain't nobody know what I can do. I'm ready to go into battle. I'll put on a show, razzle dazzle. I'm about to take off, never gonna stop till I'm chilling at the top, yeah. No, I'm about to take off, never gonna stop till I'm chilling at the top, yeah. So get out my way, I'm here to stay. You can try another day, yeah. Cause I love the taste of winning the race. Gold medal, first place, yeah. Never gonna stop till I'm chilling at the top, yeah. Gonna stop till I'm chilling at the top, yeah. Never gonna stop till I'm chilling at the top, yeah. Gonna stop till I'm chilling at the top, yeah. I'm a vet, cause I work with every breath. Man, I love the taste of sweat. I won't have any regrets. They get upset when they trying just to rest, and I'm still right at my desk. Make them all feel so pressed, yeah, but that's the test. If you wanna be the best, it ain't easy, it's a mess. If you wanna have success, you keep going like possessed. Drive it deep into your chest.
Okay, so today is done. So now enjoy the reveal.